Everyone is saying pick a niche, but nobody explains how to actually do it. So you need help. And here is my tested blueprint on how to pick a profitable niche that works. And this is coming from a place of expertise. I've helped 130 plus students do this successfully, and I've done it myself, of course, right? So I have that experience. Now, this framework is something I've used for myself and clients. Depending on what you're actually offering, it can depend on what's best for you, right? But you should leave this video with some actionable insights on how to correctly find your niche, a profitable niche at that. And the first thing is Google Trends. It's a cool tool to see what people are searching for. Not enough people actually use it, but start by coming up with ideas and look for ones that are getting more popular, and make sure to document and write down what you find and then go back to it if that's what you're set on. So look at other places too. You can use Pinterest trends, which are very good. YouTube, get as much information as you can from there. There's a lot of YouTube. You'll find the trends. Use vidIQ as well. It'll tell you literally what's trending, so it's a great place to get that data, and it helps you make good decisions and saves you a lot of time. Another way is to check out the competition. So once you have some ideas, see if other people are already selling them. So look on social media, Google other websites, and try to figure out how they sell their stuff and see what products they're selling. Something that a lot of people tell you is, oh, try find something that nobody else is doing. I don't agree with that at all. I think you should find something that a lot of people are successfully doing, because there's then clearly demand in the market and you know it's going to work. So you can actually do the same thing, but with a few tactics on getting eyeballs on your offer and your website and your profile, then you can beat these people actually quite easily. So what you need to do is make a plan. Put everything you learned into a simple action plan and decide how you'll sell your stuff, how you'll sell your offer, choose what you want to sell, and figure out how much to charge. That's a big piece as well. Usually you want to charge about 10% of the value that you are providing. So if the customer, you know, they're making 100k from what you're providing, you can easily charge 10 to 20k range, and from there you want to follow that plan carefully. Next, what you want to do is create an MVP sales funnel. So this means by optimizing your social media profile. That's the simplest way to get eyeballs on you. Create an offer that speaks to that niche. Create a video sales letter and a landing page, and post content about your offer. That's the easiest, most straightforward setup to get booked calls from the contents that you're posting. Then you want to quickly kill or continue with the idea. If you notice that nobody is interested, you can always try again. If you notice a demand, you win, and that's your niche. That's what you start executing your plan and go all in with. It's literally that simple, but people overthink it a lot. Now, if you want to accelerate this process and work with me one-to-one and get results like my clients have here, help me signing 8k deals, ridiculous. David, you can do the math on that, what he's making per month right now, 12, 13, 14k probably. It's insane, right? But if you want to fast forward this process and turn your skill set into a profitable online business, book a call below. I'll be happy to help and move forward from there. Worst case scenario, you get actionable advice from me that you can take away and go build your own business. So talk to you soon. Take care.